Welcome back to the coverage of the first ODI between South Africa and Australia. The first innings has just come to an end and South Africa have posted a strong total of 294 runs for the loss of 8 wickets in their 50 overs. It was an excellent batting display. Adan Markram played a brilliant knock of 81 runs while the captain Themba Bavuma lead from the front with a solid 55 runs innings. Some late contributions from the middle order helped South Africa cross the 290 mark. Now the big question is, can Australia chase this challenging target of 295 runs? The pitch looks for good for batting, but South Africa bowling attacks will not make things easy. It's perfectly set up for a thrilling second innings.